Building strong, lean muscles isn't just about hitting the gym, it's also about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Whether you're lifting heavy weights, doing bodyweight exercises, or simply looking to tone up, your diet plays a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. Protein is the building block of muscle, but it's not the only important factor. Your body also needs healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals to support energy levels, repair tissues, and optimize performance. While many people associate muscle-building diets with animal-based protein sources like chicken, beef, and eggs, there are plenty of plant-based options that can help you gain strength and size just as effectively. In this video, we'll break down the best foods for muscle growth, including both traditional and vegan-friendly options. Whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or full-on plant-based athlete, there's a muscle-building meal plan that's perfect for you. Let's dive in and power up your plate. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Animal-based protein sources. Number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a staple for muscle growth due to its high protein content and low fat. A 100-gram serving contains about 31 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for lean muscle gains. It is also rich in B vitamins, which aid in energy production and muscle function. Consuming grilled or baked chicken breast without added oils ensures maximum protein intake with minimal unhealthy fats. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. The yolk provides healthy fats and micronutrients such as vitamin D, which supports bone health and muscle function, and choline, which aids in nerve signaling and muscle contractions. Eating eggs in various forms, such as boiled, scrambled, or in omelets, can provide a versatile protein source. Number 3. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef are rich in protein, iron, and zinc, all of which are vital for muscle growth. Iron plays a key role in oxygen transportation in the blood, which enhances muscle endurance. Beef also contains creatine, a compound known to enhance muscle strength and performance. Opt for grass-fed beef for higher omega-3 fatty acids and healthier fat profiles. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery after intense workouts. A 100-gram serving of salmon provides around 25 grams of protein and essential fats that support muscle cell function. Regular consumption of fatty fish like salmon can also help improve joint health and flexibility. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that helps in muscle recovery overnight. It also provides probiotics for gut health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption. Eating Greek yogurt as a post-workout snack with fruits or nuts enhances muscle recovery and supplies necessary carbohydrates. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another excellent source of casein protein. It is also rich in calcium, which plays a role in muscle contractions and overall strength. Low-fat cottage cheese is ideal for those aiming to build muscle while maintaining a lean physique. Number 7. Tuna. Tuna is loaded with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It provides essential vitamins and minerals that support muscle growth and repair. Consuming tuna as part of a salad, sandwich, or sushi roll can be a convenient way to meet daily protein needs. Number 8. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is a lean source of protein that is low in fat and rich in B vitamins, which help convert food into energy and aid muscle recovery. It is an excellent alternative to chicken and can be included in sandwiches, wraps, or salads. Number 9. Whey protein. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein supplement that is widely used to promote muscle growth. It contains all essential amino acids and is particularly rich in leucine, which stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Adding whey protein to smoothies, oatmeal, or water post-workout ensures rapid muscle recovery. Number 10. Shrimp. Shrimp is almost pure protein and very low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a perfect food for muscle growth while keeping calorie intake under control. It also contains antioxidants that help reduce muscle inflammation. Vegan protein sources. Number 1. Lentils. Lentils are packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. They are also high in complex carbohydrates, making them a great option for sustained energy. Number 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are an excellent plant-based protein source. They also provide a good amount of complex carbohydrates, which help sustain energy levels during workouts. Roasted chickpeas make for a healthy snack, while hummus can be used as a protein-rich spread. Number 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It also has a high carbohydrate content, making it a great option for post-workout recovery. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein. Number 4. Tofu. Tofu is a versatile soy-based protein source that is rich in calcium and iron, both of which support muscle function and recovery. It can be grilled, stir-fried, or blended into smoothies for an easy protein boost. Number 5. Tempeh. Tempeh is another soy product that contains more protein than tofu. It is also fermented, which improves digestion and gut health. 1 cup of tempeh provides around 30 grams of protein, making it one of the best vegan protein sources. Number 6. Seitan. Seitan, also known as wheat gluten, is one of the highest plant-based protein sources, containing about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. It has a meat-like texture, making it a great substitute for animal protein. Number 7. Black beans. Black beans are loaded with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They help in muscle repair and provide a slow-releasing source of carbohydrates. Combining beans with rice creates a complete protein meal. Number 8. Edamame. Edamame are young soybeans that are high in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. They provide a complete source of protein and support muscle growth. 1 cup of cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein. Number 9. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. While not as high in protein as other sources, they provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and help in reducing inflammation. Number 10. Almonds. Almonds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to reduce muscle damage and inflammation. A handful of almonds makes a great post-workout snack. Carbohydrates and healthy fats for muscle growth. Carbohydrates fuel workouts and replenish glycogen stores, which are necessary for muscle recovery. Healthy fats support hormone production and overall muscle function. Best carbohydrates for muscle growth. Brown rice, a slow-digesting carbohydrate that provides sustained energy. Sweet potatoes, high in fiber, vitamins, and complex carbs. Oats, a great pre-workout meal for steady energy release. Fruits, bananas, berries, and apples provide natural sugars and antioxidants. Best healthy fats for muscle growth. Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds provide essential fatty acids and protein. Olive oil contains healthy fats that support muscle recovery. Conclusion: achieving muscle growth requires more than just hitting the gym. It's about providing your body with the proper fuel to repair and build muscle tissue. While protein is a key component for muscle development, the right balance of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals is essential for optimal performance and recovery. Whether you're following a traditional diet or a vegan lifestyle, there are numerous options available to support muscle growth. Animal-based protein sources like chicken, fish, and eggs provide all the essential amino acids, while plant-based alternatives like lentils, tofu, quinoa, and tempeh offer excellent vegan protein options. Alongside these, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains will provide the energy and micronutrients needed for sustained strength and endurance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.